English conversation. Listen and practice. Do you work tomorrow?
No, tomorrow is my day off.
Can I sleep at your home?
Yes, but I don't have an extra bed.
What does he do after work?
He takes his dog for a long walk.
What do you do for fun?
I draw and paint.
Who can be the new leader? Why do you ask?
I thought you might know.
Have you seen my shoes?
Yes, you left them outside.
What did they say?
They said it's too late.
How can I get in touch with you?
Here's my phone number.
Which form do you want to pay?
I will use a debit card.
How was the movie?
Boring. I almost fell asleep.
How long have you been in this place?
About a year.
What do you think about this idea?
I think it's great and worth trying.
Do you need help getting there?
No, I've been there before.
May I take the seat next to you?
Of course, no one is sitting there.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Why do you ask?
Should I wait until tomorrow to call?
Yes, they might be busy today.
Should I give this back?
Yes, it's the right thing to do.
What is your favorite time of day?
Early morning.
Are you meeting friends for lunch?
Yes, I can't wait to see them.
Why is my notebook here?
Maybe you forgot it last time.
What do you usually drink throughout the day?
I drink a lot of fruit juice.
Who takes you to school?
My parents drive me.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
Which university did you study at?
I studied at the University of Tokyo.
How many classes do you have today?
I have total 5 classes today.
Where can I learn to dance?
There's a great dance studio downtown.
After waking up, what do you usually do?
I start my day with a cup of tea.
Do you prefer cooking alone or with other?
I am cooking myself.
Do you regret buying this house?
Not at all. It's my dream house.
Are there any other guests coming?
No, you are the last one to get here.
Does she have practice every day?
No, just 4 times a week.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak Hindi, English.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a cat.